Humans kiss those they love, romantic partners, relatives, friends, and even pets. Sometimes, overwhelmed by emotion, people even kiss inanimate objects that make them happy. This habit is so deeply rooted that we rarely stop to ask a simple question. Why do we do it at all? Everyone knows that kissing feels good. In nearly every culture, a kiss is a universal way to express affection, gratitude, sympathy, or love. But from early childhood, we also learn something else. Germs are passed from mouth to mouth. During a deep kiss, saliva is exchanged, along with bacteria, yet this rarely stops anyone. Interestingly, the term French kiss was coined by the English as a slightly mocking reference to French romantic culture. In 2009, a new scientific field emerged, philematology, the study of kissing. One of the first questions scientists asked was simple but unsettling. How many microbes are actually exchanged during a kiss? The answer is a lot. The human mouth is home to more than 700 species of microorganisms. The combined weight of all microbes living in a human body is about 3 kilograms. Researchers found that during just 10 seconds of deep kissing, partners exchange around 80 million bacteria. Fortunately, the most serious illness typically transmitted through kissing is infectious mononucleosis, which resembles a prolonged and severe sore throat. A risk of contracting HIV through kissing is practically non-existent, comparable to protected sex. Surprisingly, kissing can even benefit your teeth. Increased saliva production bathes the enamel in calcium and phosphorus, strengthening teeth and reducing the risk of cavities. If germs still concern you, consider the cardiovascular benefits. During intense kissing, heart rate can rise to around 130 beats per minute, effectively training the heart in a way similar to moderate exercise. But this still doesn't fully explain why kissing exists. Why not express affection in some other way? Especially since friendly, parental, or platonic kisses don't raise heart rate or improve dental health. One theory suggests that kissing originated as a way for mothers to transfer food to their children, similar to how birds feed their chicks. But this doesn't explain why people kiss hands in reverence or feel drawn to the lips of someone they desire sexually. What is clear is that kissing promotes arousal and increases the likelihood of successful reproduction. The inner surface of the lips is packed with nerve endings. Stimulating them triggers the release of endorphins, chemicals that reduce pain and produce emotional pleasure. Scientists remain divided. Some believe kissing is a learned cultural behavior, while others argue it's driven by instinct. Evidence is inconclusive. Some primates display behaviors resembling kisses. Chimpanzees, for example, may kiss after fights as a sign of reconciliation. In other animals, comparisons become far less convincing. Humans kiss those they love, romantic partners, relatives, friends, and even pets. Sometimes, overwhelmed by emotion, people even kiss inanimate objects that make them happy. This habit is so deeply rooted that we rarely stop to ask a simple question. Why do we do it at all? Everyone knows that kissing feels good. In nearly every culture, a kiss is a universal way to express affection, gratitude. After all, tongue in someone else's mouth is an awkward topic. For now, philematology continues searching for answers. Until then, instead of analyzing theories, you could always conduct some practical research of your own. And that's baby science for you.